Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show you guys this simple look that I have right now. I have like a very simple warm look, and I did feature some Juvia's Place products. This is the main product. You guys know most of the time like my tutorials have like a main focus. This is the main focus for today. Although I do share other things with you guys, this is the main focus. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. oil control mist spray, and then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Master Prime, and this is what I'm using to prime my face today. I'm going to make sure I rub that in, especially in the T-zone area, and then I will spread out to the rest of my face. So I'm going to set those primers with the Sephora translucent setting powder. I absolutely love this powder because it gives you like that really flawless under eye look. Like, oh my gosh, I just adore this powder. I love it to set my primers as well as to set my concealer once I'm done, because as you guys can see, it like instantly gives you that blur once I put it over my primers. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base, and that is number 5, I believe. And I'm going to move on to my eyes. I didn't do my eyebrows on camera. I'm going to do them in another video. But yeah, I'm going in with that P. Louise base, and I'm going to blend that all over my lid. This is going to help our eyeshadows to pop today. And we are only going to be using 2 eyeshadows. So yeah, the look is super easy because you guys requested for me to do some easy looks. But yeah, I'm just going in and making sure that's nice and like blended out and everything. And then I'm going to set that eyeshadow base with the Sephora translucent setting powder as well. I just love this powder to just set everything, and just so nice. So now I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this color and I'm going to begin to put that into my crease area and a little bit above my crease as well. Well, a lot of bit above it. But yeah, like I'm just going to put that in the crease area, and although it might look like I'm doing like windshield wiper motions, I am tapping it right onto my lid in my as well as in my crease area. So I know it looks like I'm doing window wiping motion, but I'm not. I am tapping. Okay, so make sure you tap that in because I feel like it blends it a lot faster as well. So make sure you just tap tap tap. I'm going to take that same color and place it onto the outer portions of my eyelids, and I'm going to go a little bit heavier with it just because I want that part to be more pigmented. So as you guys can see, it is a lot darker because I did pick up a lot more on my brush. Now I'm going to go in with this gold color, and I'm going to place that directly onto the lid, and I'm using a tapping motion as well. I find that this works the best with all eyeshadows, especially shimmer shadows. So I wanted to just go ahead and tap that all over the lid, and this color is just so beautiful, and I love the fact that we are able to just use these 2 eyeshadows and we get like a really beautiful sunset look. So I'm going back in with that orange, and I'm going to apply a little bit more to make it deeper and also to blend it with that lid color. So now that we're semi done, we're gonna move on to the face. I'll come back to the eyes later, don't worry. So now I'm just going to kind of color correct, and I believe this is the number 16 with the Sephora concealer. So I'm just using this to color correct because I want my face to look very flawless today. So I'm just going to place that all over my dark marks, and this just really helps me to get like that really flawless look. As you guys can see, where I wear the mask, that is where my face is the most messed up. So yeah, we're just gonna go in and color correct, and I'm just using a Japanesque beauty sponge to go ahead and blend that out. Now we're going to move on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. I love this. It gives you such a flawless skin type of look, and I just love it, okay? Like, I just live for it. If you haven't tried it, you definitely should try it. Super affordable. I did a review on this as well, so make sure you guys check that out in case you want more information. But yeah, as you guys can see, it gives like that really flawless look. Now I'm going to take it down on my neck, but I'm not going to worry too much about coverage. So whatever coverage it has, that's where I'm going to leave it, because I don't like a lot of product on my neck during the summer. But anyways, I'm just taking it and blending it all over with that Japanese sponge. I really like it. I usually am a brush girl. You guys know that if you're not new to my channel, but I've been really loving the application of the sponge lately, so that's why I switch back and forth from the brush and the sponge, just depending on my mood. Now that I'm done blending out my foundation, I'm going to move on to concealer. So today I'm going to be using the Sephora concealer in the number 14 to highlight. Now where you highlight is completely up to you. You guys know we all have different face shapes and everything, so do your thing, girl. This is where I'm going to highlight. So yeah, and we're also going to be doing soft contouring today, so we'll get to that when we get to that. Now I'm taking the Japanese beauty sponge and I'm blending that out. I am blending it pretty close to the nose because I am going to be doing very soft contouring to the nose, and I do want my nose to look pretty snatched, so that's why I'm doing that. But anyways, girl, we're gonna do that in another video because, you know, we don't have time. We're focusing on the soft flawlessness of the face today and the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this Born This Way Too Faced concealer, and I really love this concealer. It is pretty dark because we are gonna be doing soft contouring. I'm not gonna set it with the contouring or bronzing powder, so that's why I went pretty heavy. So I'm just blending it out with a combination of the Black Radiance brush as well as the Japanese sponge. Now I'm going to go back in with that Sephora loose setting powder, the translucent one, because girl, it's just flawless. As you guys can see, like, it was flawless underneath the skin, and it's going to be flawless on top of it as well. I just love it. Like, you can already see the flawlessness before I even blend it out, okay? This powder is the truth, and it's so affordable. Now I'm going to go on with my Bare Minerals Pro Powder to go ahead and set all over the face. Like I said before, I'm not going to use a contour or bronzing powder. So I'm just setting that on top. And even though I'm setting it on top, you are still able to see my contour because of the fact that I use like a super dark one. I think I use Ganache. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set all over my face. And now I'm gonna set my face and melt in my makeup with the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. I love this. It's so soft and beautiful, and it feels good on the skin. And I'm going to apply my lashes and liner off camera, and then now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lip liner, and that is in preparation for my lipstick and my lip gloss, and those are by Juvia's Place as well. So now we are returning to the eyes. I applied my eyelashes, and now I want my eyes to pop a little bit more and look more bright and open. So I'm gonna go in with a nude type of color. It's a really light nude, and then I'm going to go in with that same color we use on the outer portion and the crease, and I'm going to just smudge that and smoke it out along the bottom line, just so that it kind of makes that nude pop a little bit more. And we are pretty much done, girl. Okay, divas, so that is pretty much it for this look. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I feel like it was really easy. I tried to make it as easy as possible because that is one of the requests that I got, to do like very easy makeup. Now for some people it might not be that easy. I am planning right now in the making to go back to the basics and do like step by step, like each video will have like a dedication on how to do things, you know, like the basics, like eyebrows, primers, and all that stuff. I actually just did a video on primers, so definitely go ahead and check it out. I did share with you guys the best primers for oily skin, oily combination skin, as well as pores. So make sure you guys check that out if you have not done so already. It is in my makeup playlist. But yeah, I've been really loving this Juvia's Place palette, so I definitely wanted to come and show you guys something that was like a warm bronzy. This is giving like very much sunset in my personal opinion, not so much bronze. I'm gonna come back and do like I mean, it's bronzy, but you know, it's more warm. Either way, it's beautiful, but I will come back to you guys with more of like a bronze type of look. Okay, you guys could definitely add blush to this. I don't always feel blush with every one of my looks, so you guys can customize these looks to your needs. I also have been really loving the new this new lip gloss and this new pencil by Juvia's Place. I feel like this new lip combo is like, yes honey. And then you guys seen I just went on here, went and added Muted in, because Muted is like the perfect nude. Like, so glad Juvia's Place made this. But yeah, like this lip combo right here, like definitely a holy grail for me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Okay, that will let me know that you like these kind of videos and that you would like for me to create more. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this look. If you want to see any other look or anything like that, then definitely leave me a comment, and I would love to chat with you divas. I do respond to comments when I can, sometimes a few days later, but I am responding to my comments, so definitely talk to me. I will talk back. Okay, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.